Hi, I'm here to show you how to make these cute bunny napkins for your Easter table in case you want to dress up the table or in case you're bored. You can do it with paper napkins or the regular cloth napkins. So I'm going to show you how to do it with the cloth napkins first. When my kids were little, and I used to make these for everybody, it seemed. I used to make lots of them out of face cloths, and I would call them Boo Boo Bunnies. And you could, instead of an egg, you could put an ice cube in it, and if the child got a boo-boo, you would just let them hold it on it. So basically, I folded it in half, triangle, and then I'm just rolling it, roll, 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 roll. And now I fold it in half, and then I go about halfway up, and then I just pinch it. And then I put a rubber band on it to secure it. And these are so easy and quick to make. And then you can just throw a ribbon around it if you have ribbon, just to make it look more fancy. And then you open up the ears, and then you can stick an Easter egg in the back, and there's your Easter bunny, and you can just set it right on your plate. And you can do the same thing with a paper napkin, and you basically just open it up, same thing, fold it, and then you just kind of folding it rather than rolling it, and then fold it in half, and again about halfway you're going to pinch it and fold it up. And I don't have another rubber band, so I'm just going to tie it with the string and make a little bow, make the ears pop, open up the back, and put your Easter egg in, and there you go. And that's how to make quick and easy napkin bunnies.